Are you ready to dive into the dynamic world of finance? Well, get ready because today we're bringing you the latest news, hottest stocks, and smart moves that will keep you ahead in the game. From breaking down the biggest movers in the market to revealing why certain stocks are suddenly on everyone's lips, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll share some savvy budgeting tips that can make a world of difference in your financial journey. So grab a seat, fasten your seatbelts, and get ready for an exciting ride. Who knows, you might just uncover the next big thing. But before we jump into today's market movers, let's take a moment to acknowledge our top shareholders. Your support means everything to us, and we truly appreciate each and every one of you. And for those of you who are new here, welcome to the family. We're so glad to have you join us on this journey. Now let's dive into what's happening in the markets. First up on the list is Tesla stock, which has been making some serious moves recently, and it's no surprise why. In the last 5 days, the stock has surged by an impressive 14.3%, and year-to-date it's up a whopping 217.7%. This electric vehicle giant isn't just cruising along, it's accelerating towards success. But what's really driving these numbers? One big reason is Tesla's first quarter earnings report, which showed a significant increase in deliveries. Investors are super excited about the company's growth prospects, and that's reflected in the stock price. But that's not all. Tesla has also been making strategic moves like slashing prices to boost demand and entering new markets. They're thinking big and acting bold, and the results are showing. So if you're keeping an eye on the markets, Tesla is definitely a stock to watch. Next up, we have Nvidia stock, which has also been on a wild ride lately. In the past 5 days, it's jumped by an impressive 13.6%, and year-to-date, it's soared by an incredible 229.7%. This chip giant is a major player in the market, and its stock price is reflecting its dominance. Nvidia is at the forefront of developing cutting-edge graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are essential for everything from gaming to data centers. The demand for GPUs is through the roof, and Nvidia is delivering. The company's strong financial performance and its leading position in the market have investors bullish on its future prospects. So if you're looking for a stock that's making big moves, Nvidia is definitely one to consider. Now let's turn our attention to Advanced Micro Devices stock, which has been making some impressive gains. In the last 5 days, the stock has climbed by 10.8%, and year-to-date, it's up a solid 97.3%. This chipmaker is giving industry giants a run for their money, and its stock price is soaring as a result. AMD is known for its high-performance processors, and its recent earnings reports have shown strong growth and revenue. Investors are impressed with the company's ability to compete in the market, and they're betting big on its future success. If you're looking for a stock with serious potential, AMD could be a great addition to your portfolio. Next up, we have Netflix stock, which has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride lately. In the last 5 days, the stock has swung by 7.9%, and year-to-date, it's up 32.6%. This streaming giant has been a major player in the market, and its stock price is always subject to some volatility. Recently, Netflix announced its plans to crack down on password sharing, which could boost its revenue. However, some analysts are concerned about the impact on subscriber growth. Investors are digesting this information and trying to predict how it will affect the company's bottom line. As always, only time will tell what the ultimate impact will be. All right, now let's shift gears and talk about 2 stocks that are making smaller moves but still worth keeping an eye on. First up, we have Amazon stock. In the last 5 days, it's moved by 3.5%, and year-to-date, it's up 56.8%. Amazon is a powerhouse in the e-commerce space, and its stock price is generally a reflection of its strong financial performance and growth prospects. While its recent moves may not be as eye-popping as some other stocks on our list, Amazon is still a major player in the market, and its stock price is worth keeping an eye on. Next, we have Meta stock. In the last 5 days, it's moved by 2.9%, and year-to-date, it's up 139.1%. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has been making some big moves in the social media space. Despite concerns over its metaverse investments, the company's earnings reports have been solid, and its stock price is reflecting its strong financial performance. Meta is a major player in the social media space, and its stock price is worth keeping an eye on. Now let's move on to some hot stocks that are generating buzz in the market. First up, we have Rivian stock. This electric vehicle maker has been making some impressive strides, and its stock price is soaring as a result. In the last 5 days, Rivian stock has jumped by 23.9%, and year-to-date it's up 144.7%. Investors are excited about the company's innovative designs and its potential for growth. With the backing of major players like Amazon, Rivian is well positioned to make a significant impact in the EV market, so if you're looking for a stock that's on the rise, Rivian is definitely one to watch. Next up, we have Palantir stock. This data analytics company has been making some big moves in the tech industry, and its stock price is following suit. In the last 5 days, Palantir stock has risen by 13.5%, and year-to-date it's up 23.4%. The company's strong partnerships with government agencies and its potential for growth have investors bullish on its future prospects. Palantir is a key player in the data analytics space, and its stock price is definitely one to keep an eye on. Finally, we have Coinbase stock. This cryptocurrency exchange has been making some serious waves, and its stock price is climbing higher and higher. In the last 5 days, Coinbase stock has surged by 21.7%, and year-to-date it's up 134.6%. The growing popularity of cryptocurrencies and the increasing adoption of digital assets are driving investor interest in Coinbase. As the market for cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, Coinbase is well positioned to capitalize on the opportunities, and its stock price is sure to reflect that. So if you're interested in the crypto market, Coinbase is a stock that you don't want to miss out on. If you're looking for more investment inspiration, check out the best small cap stocks right now. These companies may have smaller market capitalizations, but they're making big moves, and their stock prices could be worth watching. We've got you covered with a diverse range of options that could potentially make a big impact on your investment portfolio. Don't miss out on the opportunity to diversify your investments and potentially boost your returns. Click now and discover the best small cap stocks that are turning heads and making waves in the market. Looking ahead, there are some key economic indicators that investors are keeping an eye on. The Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions will likely impact the broader market, and interest rate hikes could affect the valuations of growth stocks. Additionally, quarterly earnings reports from major companies will provide insights into their financial performance and future outlook, influencing investor sentiment and stock prices. Keeping an eye on these economic indicators can help you navigate the markets more effectively. And if you're wondering what's going on with your favorite stocks, we've got you covered. We regularly publish updates on popular stocks such as Ford, Walmart, General Motors, FedEx, Bank of America, and Apple. Just search for updates on your favorite stocks and stay informed with the latest news and analysis. Now let's talk about budgeting. It's not the most exciting topic, but it's crucial for your financial well-being. Creating a budget can help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and make informed spending decisions. By setting clear financial goals, you can prioritize your spending on what matters most and cut back on unnecessary expenses. There are many budgeting methods available, such as the 50-30-20 budget, the zero-based budget, and the envelope budget. Choose a method that suits your needs and stick to it. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices to achieve your financial goals and live a comfortable life within your means. So don't be afraid to treat yourself occasionally. Just make sure it fits within your overall budget plan. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more investing tips. Remember, investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your research and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor. Until next time, happy investing and good luck.